Hello everyone, welcome to Native English Academy. Do you want to speak English confidently? Do you understand English but feel nervous when speaking? Don't worry, this channel is made for you. In every video, you will learn simple English that you can use in your daily life. Let's start. Part 1. Greetings, English, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm doing great. Part 2. Introducing yourself. My name is John. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. Part 3. Daily expressions. Thank you. You're welcome. Please. Excuse me. Sorry. No problem. See you later. Have a nice day. Part 4. Motivation. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need practice. Practice for just 10 to 15 minutes every day. Watch one lesson daily. Repeat every sentence aloud. Little by little, your English will improve. Never give up. Story. Tom's first day at work. Tom is a young man. He gets a new job at a small office. On his first day, he wakes up early. He takes a shower, gets dressed, and eats a simple breakfast. Then he leaves home with a big smile. When Tom arrives at the office, his manager says, "Welcome, Tom. We are happy to have you here." Tom smiles and says, "Thank you. I'm excited to work with everyone." His new coworkers are kind and friendly. They show him around the office and explain his work. At lunchtime, everyone eats together. Tom talks with his coworkers and learns more about them. In the afternoon, Tom finishes all of his tasks. His manager says, "Great job, Tom. You learn very quickly." Tom feels proud and happy. When he goes home, he tells his family, "Today was a wonderful day. I really like my new job." His family smiles and says, "Congratulations, we are proud of you." Tom goes to bed feeling thankful and excited for tomorrow. Outro. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson. Bye.